Hi guys, it's Kim with Milling About.
Hi guys.
That's Mike.
I'm Mike.
We are here at Fort Bridger. We're staying at the RV park next door, and we're going to check out Fort Bridger here. This is one of the places on the Oregon Trail that people would fill up for supplies and things on their wagon trail, and we're going to kind of check it out. It's raining right now, so we're kind of hanging out in the truck for just a little bit, and then we'll head inside.
So we'll see you there.
So we are standing in the officers' quarters because it's one of the only inside buildings, and there was a huge rainstorm that just blew through, but now it's looking like the sun's coming out, and I don't hear as much lightning and thunder. The lady in the front office told us that somebody was killed here a few years ago with lightning, so.
She said it sometime.
Sometime.
Probably Civil War era.
Yeah. So we've got our the quarters here. So this was for the bachelor's officers' quarters. They've got a remnant of the a poker game in there. And then if you come back down this long hallway, it reminds me of The Shining. Then you've got the bedroom back here. And the dining room. And then when you back in the back, you got the servants' quarters, but you can't get back to there. And then you have some empty parlors in here. I've got a head. That is a deer's head. Pretty sure they didn't have fire extinguishers back then, though. All right, we're gonna head outside and try not to get rained on. Rained on.
Oh, they have it in Korea.
So they have the little signs back here, and they've also got signs that you can read all of the information. And it has the information in Braille as well.
Taking a picture.
It still is raining, but not too bad. So we're gonna go over here while it's not raining and check out the milk house and the barn and some different things over here as well. So this is Bridger Stockade, the log buildings back here. And then I think back there in those little trees back there is where we're actually going to go.
That's cool. 4-wheel trail wagon. You gotta go over there.
Yep. We got to go in here first.
Yeah. Oh wow. Fur press.
So this is like, let's see. Can't see much in there. This was a store. This was the trading post. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So this was the trading post. Yeah, you can see the counter in there and everything. And
Oh yeah. Modern milk jug. Oh, you go in there.
oh, you can't.
Sure, maybe not.
But you can look. And in here we've got,
There's an anvil.
yep, so this was the blacksmith.
Blacksmith shop.
Then you got all the stuff back here. The wood. So they do have special events here. You got your rope machine. They do have special events that they have people come out here and demonstrate different things that they did.
Actually, it looks like they have real fires there.
Yeah, let's see. You see in here?
Ooh, it smells like horses over here.
No, it smells like fire.
Fire?
Yeah.
Smells like Grandma and Grandpa's barn.
So there, this is actually a bedroom. There, you can see the rope bed in the very back.
Oh, yeah.
And then you got your fireplace and
Some shelves.
yep.
Your kitchen, dining room table.
Cool. We did. This was Thacker's Pioneer Wagon. It was donated in 2004.
Wow.
So it traveled to Utah during the pioneer trek of the Thacker family in 1861. So we just got finished in the ranch house here.
Yes.
You can see that there.
Ranch house.
And the officers' quarters over there. We're going to take a look at the cemetery real quick, and then we're actually going to go out to, what's it called, the Piedmont Kilns,
Yeah, the kilns.
that they would make charcoal out there. And you can actually go inside of those. Before we head out there, there is one more place here that there's a little motel that was part of the Lincoln Highway that they've restored a lot of the cabins, but there's one of them that has almost like a registry of people that have written their names there from back in the 30s. But here is a cemetery, if you're into cemeteries. So this is just the Carter Cemetery. I personally like cemeteries, so. Okay, we'll probably show you around the hotel a little bit, and then we'll see you out at the Piedmont Kilns.